In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute yourself in Zoom. If you're already inside a Zoom meeting and need to quickly turn off your microphone, the process is very simple. Start by looking at the bottom left corner of your Zoom window. There you'll see the microphone icon. This is the control Zoom uses for your audio, and it lets you switch between being heard and being muted. If your microphone is currently on, the button will say mute. To mute yourself, just click that microphone icon once. As soon as you do, Zoom will update the icon so it shows a red slash through the microphone. That red slash is the visual confirmation that your mic is now off. You'll also notice that the label underneath changes from mute to unmute, which means you are currently muted and can click again later if you want to turn your sound back on. This is the easiest method because it's always visible while you're in the meeting and it gives you instant feedback so you can confirm your microphone status right away. If you're in a busy call, presenting, or just trying to avoid background noise, this is a quick way to stay in control of your audio. If you prefer using a keyboard shortcut instead of clicking with your mouse, Zoom also gives you that option. On Windows, press Alt plus A. On a Mac, press Shift plus Command plus A. These shortcuts toggle your microphone on and off, so they're especially useful if you need to mute yourself quickly without moving your cursor away from what you're doing. When using the shortcut, it's still a good idea to glance at the microphone icon afterward. That way you can make sure the red slash appears and confirm that you're muted. This can help prevent accidental interruptions, especially during meetings where timing and clear communication matter. So to recap, if you want to mute yourself in Zoom, either click the microphone icon in the bottom left corner of the meeting window, or use the keyboard shortcut for your device. Once you see the red slash on the microphone and the button says unmute, you'll know your audio is off, and that's all there is to it.